I know, right? That's not Chinese food. No, what am I thinking? It looks good. It looks good. Gordon Ramsay might say something about its presentation, but I think it looks wonderful. And Jamie Oliver would just drool out of the side of his mouth. Hope you're having a good, whatever. And I'm here making jokes about Jamie Oliver. Here I am just dumping sunflower seeds. I already know that this is going to be a fantastic salad. I've never had it before. Every salad that I've had from Trader Joe's has been fantastic. That's a good amount of, I know it's called dressing. My inclination is to say sauce, but I wanted to say syrup. Look at that. It's all right, isn't it? Let's give it a whack. I've been getting a lot of hate messages on my channel recently saying that my videos suck. Perhaps they do, but at least you're watching them, and that's really what matters to me. So I appreciate you. I wish I could get all of my haters together into one room. Oh yeah. That's wonderful. I love that. Broccoli, slaw, kale, white chicken meat, sunflower kernels, sweetened dried cranberries, and a sweet and spicy dressing. Oh my word. I don't know, what was it, $5 or something maybe? I don't even know if it was that much, but oh my word. I'm definitely getting this again. Holy crow. Say hi to Clarence. He's already had his lunch, as you can see. I'm a growing boy, you see. Just wipe it off on your pants. Or in my case, tiger stripe camo shorts. I appreciate you having lunch with me. It's like my mouth is engaged in the throes of coitus. Ayo. No diddy. Oh my God. This is a very good salad. My word. I will definitely get this again. And perfect for me. You know, perfect for me. This is great. Actually, fantastic. It's fresh. It's delightful. The flavors are perfect. There's the right amount of everything. One thing I really love about Trader Joe's salads is they never skimp on the salad dressing, like in the pre-made gimmicks. Very good. Always give you like a good amount. Great. Yeah. Whoop. You didn't want to look at that. See my Burley Marks philodendron? No? Okay. Well, thanks for coming then. Well, I appreciate you. And I hope that you'll just take this opportunity to tell someone that you care about them. You might not get a chance tomorrow.